Hi friends, today we're going to talk about perimeter. Perimeter is the distance around the outside of a shape or space. Here we have a grid. For the sake of this video, let's pretend that each of these squares is 1 centimeter in length and width. Here's a shape. We're interested in knowing the distance around the outside of it, so let's count each square length. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. The perimeter is 12 centimeters. And we make little marks as we count to help us keep track of where we began counting. Let's look at another shape. We'll find the perimeter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The perimeter of this rectangle is 10 centimeters. Now we'll find the perimeter of this rectangle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The perimeter is also 10 centimeters. You'll notice that shapes can have the same perimeter even though they look different. But sometimes we don't always have a grid, so it's important to know the lengths and widths of the sides. So the length of this side is 3, and the width of this is 2. The length of this side is also 3, and the width over here is also 2. That gives us a perimeter of 10 centimeters. When we're working with rectangles, you'll notice that the lengths are the same and the widths are the same. So we can come up with this formula for perimeter. 2 times the length, and that lowercase l stands for length, plus 2 times the width, that W stands for width. So let's try that formula out with this rectangle on top. We're going to look at the length on the left and right, and the width on the top and bottom. Remember our formula, 2 times length plus 2 times width. So within the first parentheses, 2 times 4, because 4 is our length, plus 2 times 1, because 1 is our width. That gives us 8 plus 2 for a total perimeter of 10 centimeters. So it's handy to remember this perimeter formula, 2 times length plus 2 times width. Sometimes that can be written like this, 2L times 2W. The formula will come in handy for this next example because we have a shape that does not have a grid. Let's plug our numbers into the formula. 2 times 5, because 5 is our length, plus 2 times 4, 4 is our width. The length is always the longest side of the rectangle, and the width is always the shorter side of the rectangle. That gives us 10 plus 8 for a perimeter of 18 centimeters. I hope this video helps you understand what perimeter is and how to find it.